Listen carefully. You are not behind. You are not a failure. You are not weak. You are not broken. You are not lost. You are human. You are learning. You are growing. You are healing. You are becoming stronger than your fears. Stop punishing yourself for your thoughts. Stop believing the worst about yourself. Stop assuming you're not good enough. You've survived every difficult day in your life. Every heartbreak, every disappointment, every fear, every mistake, every moment you thought you wouldn't make it through. And you're still here, stronger than you think. Your future is not decided by your fear. It's decided by your choices. And right now, you are choosing to reset. You are choosing to breathe. You are choosing clarity. You are choosing peace. You are choosing white medium star conclusion, 3 minutes. This is your reminder to slow down, to breathe deeply, to trust yourself, to trust life, to trust the timing of everything. You don't need to know the whole path. You don't need to have every answer. You don't need to feel confident every day. You just need to take one step, the small step, the next step. Overthinking creates fear. Action creates clarity. And clarity is coming to you. Peace is coming to you. A calmer mind is coming to you. A better chapter is coming to you. You're not here by accident. You're here because you're ready to change. And you will. One thought at a time. One breath at a time. One step at a time. You deserve peace. You deserve clarity. You deserve a life that feels light. And today, you take the first step toward it. Step 3. Write your thoughts down. This is one of the strongest tools. When you write your thoughts, they stop spinning. They become clear. They become logical. They become smaller. They stop controlling you. Your mind becomes quieter because it no longer needs to hold everything inside. Step 4. Replace what if with what now. What if is fear. What now is focus. What if keeps you stuck. What now moves you forward. Whenever your mind spirals, ask, what can I do right now? That's it. That question can change your entire life. Step 5. Take one small step, any step. Not a perfect step, not a courageous step, not a big step, a small step. Clean your room, send the message, start the project, watch the lesson, open the document, walk outside, drink water. Action quiets the mind. Silence grows where movement exists. Step 6. Limit the time your mind is allowed to think. Set a rule. I will think about this for 10 minutes, then stop. When the time ends, redirect your attention. Your brain learns to stop spiraling. Step 7. Accept the things you cannot control. This is the hardest step, but the most liberating. You can't control what people think, how they feel, how they interpret, how they respond, what they choose. You can only control your actions. Let life flow. Let people be who they are. Let time reveal what you cannot see yet. Peace comes from surrendering, not controlling. Here is the powerful part of this video, the part where everything begins to change. These steps are simple, but life-changing. Step 1. Breathe deeply and slowly. When your mind is racing, your breath becomes shallow. Your brain interprets this as danger, so it creates more thoughts, more fear, more stress. Deep breathing tells your brain, you are safe, and the mind calms down. Try this. Inhale for 4 seconds. Hold for 4 seconds. Exhale for 6 seconds. Repeat. Do it for 1 minute. Watch how your mind softens. Step 2. Stop living inside your head. Come back to the present. Overthinking lives in 2 places. The past, regret. The future, fear. Peace lives only in the present. Look around you. What do you see? What do you hear? What do you feel? What's real right now? Bring your mind back to the moment you're in. There are 3 truths that will completely change your relationship with your mind. Truth 1. Not every thought is real. Just because you think something does not make it true. Not every fear is a warning. Not every worry is important. Not every scenario is worth your energy. Your thoughts are not facts. They are possibilities. And your mind tends to choose the worst ones. Truth 2. Your mind creates problems because it feels unsafe. Most overthinking is a reaction to past trauma, past heartbreak, past rejection, past failures, past disappointment. Your mind is trying to prevent pain, but it ends up recreating it. Truth 3. Overthinking becomes a habit, not a personality. You were not born an overthinker. You learned it, which means you can unlearn it. You can retrain your brain. You can rewire your thoughts. You can build a new pattern. You can create a calmer mind. Your brain is wired for survival, not happiness. Thousands of years ago, Humans needed to stay alert to survive. Every sound, every shadow, every movement could be danger. Today, the world has changed, but your brain hasn't. Instead of fearing predators, you fear failure. Instead of fearing the unknown outside your cave, you fear the unknown inside your life. Your brain wants certainty. It wants control. It wants guaranteed outcomes. But life doesn't work like that. Life is unpredictable. People are unpredictable. Opportunities are unpredictable. Timing is unpredictable. So when your brain can't predict things, it panics. It fills the empty space with fear, assumptions, imagination, and worry. But here's the good news. Your brain is powerful, but it listens to you. It responds to your focus, your habits, your breathing, your awareness, your choices. You can train your mind to stop spiraling, to stop panicking, to stop overthinking. And that's what the rest of this video is going to show you. Overthinking is not harmless. It steals your time, your energy, your confidence, your peace, your opportunities. Here's what overthinking quietly destroys. 1. Your confidence. You start doubting every decision, every idea, every step, every message you write, every move you make. You start believing you're never enough. 2. Your relationships. You analyze every word people say, every pause, every silence, every facial expression, every online message. And most of the time, your mind gets it wrong. 3. Your happiness. You can't enjoy the moment because you're too busy imagining the next problem. 4. Your opportunities. You hesitate. You wait. You delay. You miss chances that could have changed your life. 5. Your sleep. You go to bed tired, but your mind stays awake. 6. Your self-worth. You start believing your thoughts, even the negative ones, especially the negative ones. Overthinking is not a habit. It's a prison, and you don't belong in it. People think overthinking is simply thinking too much, but it's not. Overthinking is emotional fear disguised as logic. It's anxiety wearing the mask of preparation. It's your mind trying to protect you, but hurting you at the same time. You overthink because you don't want to make mistakes. You don't want to get hurt again. You don't want to lose anyone. You don't want to fail. You don't want to look stupid. You want to feel safe. So your brain tries to predict every possible outcome. It analyzes every detail. It creates imaginary scenarios. It rehearses conversations that never happened. It builds walls before there's even a threat. But here's the truth no one tells you. Your mind cannot protect you from life. It can only make you afraid of living it. Overthinking doesn't make you prepared. It makes you paralyzed. It doesn't make you safe. It makes you scared. It doesn't make life easier. It makes it heavier. You don't need to think more. You need to think clearer. And clarity comes from action, not analysis. There comes a moment in your life when your mind becomes louder than the world around you. You could be sitting in a quiet room. Nothing is happening. But inside your head, it feels like a storm. You replay old memories. You analyze conversations from months ago. You imagine outcomes that haven't happened. You create problems that don't exist. And you blame yourself for things you had no control over. Overthinking feels like carrying a weight nobody else can see. You smile, you talk, you work. But deep down, you feel exhausted, mentally, emotionally, spiritually. If you're listening to this, it's not an accident. You're here because your mind needs rest. Your soul needs clarity. Your heart needs peace. This video is not just motivation. It's a reset, a moment for you to slow down, to breathe, to let go, and to stop fighting battles inside your own head. You deserve peace. And today, you're going to remember exactly how to find it.